Now I'm gonna mix it with this Michael. And how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna put Michael into the Play-Doh. Okay? First, I'm gonna mix it a little bit. I'm gonna wait for a little moment, and then I'm gonna pull it out.
This is a video.
This is a very good video, and I hope you subscribe and do a video too, so you could watch my videos and I could watch your videos. So I never did this before. This is my second time, and I was just starting to do this. My other one was a slime video. And maybe this is gonna turn out a rose color, I think.
It's not always going to.
But I'm just gonna take a little bit. So that will be easier when I do this. Maybe I need another purple mic. And if you want to watch more of my videos, you can. But sometimes I will be maybe I will not do lots of videos. Okay? Look at this purple color. It's Tony. Purple. And on the top there was purple. And I have some paintings. Little story. this purple color. My God. So purpley. I hope you will like my video. And subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. They would just pop up. Okay?